today we are going to discuss about the bubble sort. As you know, bubble sort is a kind of a sorting algorithm. So before understanding the bubble sort, we need to understand what is sorting. Basically, sorting is a process in which we are arranging the elements in a specific order, in a ascending order or in a descending order. Sorting algorithms are used to sort the data inside the array, list, or any structure. Basically, the sorted data can be used for various purposes such as searching, analyzing, and displaying data in a specific order. There are many different sorting algorithms. Every sorting algorithm is having their own time and space complexity, which is suited for different types of data and use case. Some of the common sorting algorithms are bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. If you haven't seen the selection sort video that I have created, so you can watch out that in my playlist over my channel. I'm also going to add the link for you in this video here. Other sorting types are like quick sort, merge sort, and heap sort. Now, you definitely have a question. What is bubble sort, right? So you understand the sorting. Definitely, it is the obvious question. So to understand the bubble sort, so it is kind of a simplest sorting algorithm that work by repeatedly swapping adjacent element if they are in a wrong order. What it means? It means if you are having an array in which some numbers are available and they are not sorted, so it will repeatedly swap them and make them in a short or in a specific ascending or descending order, uh, and there is bubble sort. Now it's come why this sorting come with the name of bubble sort. So as you can see, bubble sort is because it works with the smallest element on the top, like the bubble. If there is a tube with a complete fill of water and a little gas or little air in it, so the bubbles will definitely go on the top. So similarly, small elements are the bubble for this algorithm, and they will be on the top. Another thing that you have to understand is the algorithm has a time complexity in the worst case scenario, which is making it insufficient for the large data sets. What it means? It means if you are trying to sort a large data set with the bubble sort, then this is not the best practice to do this because it is going to take much time. However, it is simple to understand, implement, making it good choice for the small data sets or for the educational purpose. Now the question come why we need to learn bubble sort. Definitely in previous slide I mentioned that it is not fit for the large data sets. Then definitely we will come up with a question why we should learn the bubble sort then if it is not worth to implement with the big sets. So your question's answer is bubble sort is a good for starting point of learning about sorting algorithm. Some of the reasons to learn the bubble sorts are like simplicity, understanding the basics, learning to analyze algorithm, and learning different sorting algorithms. Okay, now let's understand these points. The first point is simplicity. So bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithm to understand and implement it. It is good to introduce the concept of sorting and how algorithms work. Second thing, understanding the basics. As I said, it is good for introduction concept and understanding the algorithm, how it implement. So it is good for understanding the basics. What you will learn from those basics. Bubble sort help you to understand the basic principle of sorting algorithms such as comparing the element and swapping them. Basically, if any algorithm is going to be there. So these are the basic principles which is used inside the sorting algorithms, comparing the elements and swapping them so that it can be sort in one of the way, either in ascending or in descending. This knowledge can apply to another sorting algorithms as well. Definitely, as I said, these principles are going to be implemented over the another algorithms as well. Another point is learning to analyze algorithms. Now, what it means? It means, as I told you, bubble sort has a time complexity which is making it inefficient for the large data sets. By learning bubble sort, you can learn how to analyze the time and space complexity of sorting algorithms and compare them to choose the most appropriate algorithm for a given use case. If we know the basics, or if we know the principles, if we know the basic points on which the algorithms are going to be measured, then definitely we can understand the scenario, and we by understanding the scenario we can apply the specific algorithm to those use case or to those data sets. What are those measuring points? These are the time and space complexity, which is making any algorithm efficient or inefficient. Another point comes here, which is learning different sorting algorithm. So bubble sort is one of the many sorting algorithms. By learning bubble sort, you can understand the sorting algorithm in general, and you will be prepared for learning other algorithms. So I hope now you have a clear understanding what is bubble sort, why you need to learn the bubble sort. In the next video, I will explain you how to write the bubble sort algorithm and explain you the concepts of the algorithm principles, how they are working, and explain you how to write the bubble sort algorithm. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.